Today we are going to start the new chapter, the way world looks. What is the meaning of this? The way world looks. In your regular day-to-day life, you might be observing many things inside your home, outside your home. The objects what you are looking, they looks in different shapes when you look the object from top view, back view, front view, and side view. The way how we look, the shape changes. For example, there is a study table. There is a study table like this. This is the side view of a study table. If you look the study table, side view, if you look the study table, the side view. What is the doubt?
We should write.
Right, sir.
No, I will tell you, please wait.
We should.
Wait, I will tell you. Till that time, just listen. Don't write anything. Don't ask again and again. This is the side view of your study table or dining table. This is a side view. If you look at from the side, it looks like this. But if you look at the table from top angle, if you look at the table from top angle, if you see from the top, these legs you can't see. If you look at the top, so if you look at like this, what you can see? You can see only a rectangle. This is the top view. When you look from the top, you can see only the rectangular shape. Legs are hidden inside. Below, legs will be there. That you can't see. So how we look the object based on the different shapes will appear. If you look at the table, study table or dining table from the top, you can see in your home, you can check practically. If you look from the top, you can see only the rectangle. If you look from the side, you can see like this. Best example, there will be a fan in your room. What is the, if you look the fan from down, how it looks? You can see only this. If you look the fan, look like this in your room. Look the fan from below. You can see only the circular part and 3 wings. So different shapes will appear when you see from different angles. Your object can be observed in 4 ways: back view, front view, top view, and side view. I will share some information where different shapes, different views are there. You can concentrate there. I'm going to share. Please go through this. Don't write anything. I will tell you when you have to write. Then only. Is this correct? Is the fan looks like this? Is the fan looks like this when you see from below? Is it correct?
Yeah.
Yes. If you look at the fan, you can't see. See, this is actually the fan. Fan will be like this. This you can't see. This you can't see because you are looking from below. This you can't see.
Yeah.
So when we see the object from different views, it looks in different shapes. There is one canvas shoes is there. Next one. Don't write anything. Don't write anything. Just look. Look at the different views of a shoe.
This PDF sender, sir.
What is the doubt? I have told you to listen. Just listen. Class video will be shared. The PDF will be shared. Don't ask again and again. Different view of a shoe. Look at the shoe. When you see the shoe from the top angle, you can see the lace and everything. The first one. If you see the shoe from side view, then you can see the sole. When the top view, sole cannot be seen. The sole you cannot see when you look from the top. Sole cannot be seen. When you look from side, you can see the sole. Front view, when you look at the from front side, you can see only this much. Front, only this much. When you look at the from back side, then you can see only the back side of the shoe. So this is the practical you can do. You will be having school shoe with you. You take a school shoe and rotate and see how the top view, how the side view, how the front view, how the back view. Practically, you can do this with the things available at your home. Top view of your classroom. Is it correct? Top view, aerial view. If you look at your classroom aerial view, you might have seen this in 3D pictures or in movies. When you see the top view, you can see only the chairs. Each chair will be a rectangular shape. See, chairs will be there in order. Blackboard at one end. There is an entrance, door. So this is the top view of your classroom. You can see the class from the top. Then it looks like this. Yeah, if anything is there, you can ask. Somebody raise the hand. What is the doubt? See, this is also the aerial view, the top view of a room. If you look at the room from the top, it looks like this. See the cot, the bed, which is a rectangular shape. How the chairs are kept, how the table. These all are practically you can do in your home. You might have observed this, but never noticed that this comes under a math chapter. So how the word looks means when your object is taken, how the object looks from the top, from front, from side, from back. All the views, how a thing can be observed. That we are going to study in this topic. Look at this view. This practically you can see. This is how the cot looks from the top. It looks like a rectangle. The legs of the cot you cannot see when you look from the top. Chairs are there, all are kept there. See, some interesting pictures are there. These pictures you might have seen in your day-to-day life. Here some pictures are there based on how the picture is situated, how the picture is kept, how the photo is taken. Based on that, please answer which view is this. For example, horse is there. Horse side view. Front view, you can see the face. Horse side view is there. Look at this monkey. What is the view? Is it the front view or side view?
Front view. Front view.
When you can see the face. When you can see the face. When you can see the face, that is front view.
Front view, sir.
Yeah. I will share the worksheet. You have to paste and write there.
Monkey front view, bicycle
view.
side view, girl side view.
Wait. I will come one by one.
Front view.
I will come one by one. Please wait. So this worksheet I will share. Take the print out, paste in your notebook, then write. Right now, just answer. Don't write, just answer to me. So the horse side view answer is already there. Monkey face is seen. That means front view. What about the car? Which view is this?
View.
The top of the car is seen. The top of the car is seen.
Top view, sir.
So it will be
sir.
top view.
Side.
Very good.
So cycle side view. Side view, sir. Boy is in front view.
Don't shout. Don't shout. I told you. Don't shout. Answer when I ask.
Okay, sir.
Don't be in hurry. I will ask one by one. Then only. Don't answer all the questions. I am at C, so only C question. If you know the answer, please keep quiet. Now coming to D. Cycle. Cycle, which view is this? Bicycle.
Side view.
Side view, very good.
View.
Side view is the answer.
Side view, sir.
Side view of the cycle. Very good observation. Now look at E. The boy is
front
standing
view.
like this. When boy face can be seen clearly, boy face, then it will be
Front view.
front view. Very good.
Front view, sir.
That is front view.
Boy, sir, boy.
So front view. Next, girl.
Front view.
No,
Front view. Side view.
side view. It is not the front view. She,
Girl side.
how I am standing, that is front view. If I turn like this, that is side view. This is front view. This is side view. So girl, little slight difference is there. Side view.
Side view, sir. Top view. Top view. Top view. Top view, sir.
Top.
Top view.
Tap.
Side view, sir.
So
Top view.
top view.
Side view.
Crab moves.
Back view, sir.
Don't shout. Don't shout.
Top view.
View.
Back view, sir. Back view, sir. James.
I have told you, don't shout. In spite of that, you are shouting. When I ask, then only you have to give the answer. I have told you. In spite of that, you are shouting. That's why you all are in mute stage now. I have told you, when asked, then only. Don't be in hurry. It is not a competition. It is a class going on. You should have some minimum sense. Crab. You might have seen this crab, especially on the beach side. It crawls on the sand. If you look at this, the top view, you can see the top view of this. So the answer is top view. H. Earlier, we have seen car top view. Now here one jeep or car is there. Jeep is there where side mirrors are seen. So it will be side view. Side view. Coming to the chair. If you have seen from top, you can see only the upper portion of the top. Now, chair is kept here where you can see the almost legs and everything can be seen. So it will be side view. You are not able to give the answer because you are in mute mode. Why you are in mute mode? Because you are shouting, disturbing the class. That's why I kept all in mute. If you maintain silence, you would have got a chance to answer. But you are not listening to me. You are keep on shouting in the class. Next, donut. Very tasty donut. You might have tasted donut. It's a very tasty. It's a favorite of the children. It is a circular one and hole in between. So like a ring. You are looking the top side of the donut, top side. When you see the side view, it looks like a ring only. Top view. Top view. So this is the top view of donut. I'm going to share this worksheet. Take the printout, paste in the notebook, and these answers you have to write. Answers already I wrote here. If you want, you can copy the answers. Or if you remember, you can do directly when you paste this. Choice is yours. I'm giving 2 minutes time. If you want to copy, you can copy the answers. Only the answers. If you want, you can copy the answers. Otherwise, keep quiet. This is not at all a new topic, though it is a new chapter in mathematics. Practically, you might have observed this. You have seen a car from the top, from the side when it is moving on the road. You might have seen the car side view. Crab when it is crawling on the sand, you might have seen the top view. Chair, side view in your home. When you're going to sit, you might have seen top view. So all these you might have observed, nothing new there. You mute yourself.
Sir, can you cite? Sir, can you cite?
Here some few examples are given. Just observe, nothing to write. This you have to paste in your notebook once I send. At present, just look and observe. Spoon. This practically you can see. Take a spoon from your home. See the top view, side view, and front view.
Side view. Sir, please show. Thank you, sir.
Look at this. How a spoon looks.
Sir, show.
How a spoon looks. You can take a spoon from your home and you can check. See, this is the top view of a spoon. Top view of a spoon. Spoon, you can see the spoon in my hand. Top view of a spoon. This is the side view of a spoon. Side view. This is the front view of a spoon. See, all three are same there. Top view, side view, and front view. Railway line. Railway line, if you see from the top, you can see parallel lines moving. Parallel lines. When you look at the side view, you can see only one track. Other track you can't see. You can see only one track. Front view will be wide angle. It is coming near to you. Front view. Lorry. A transport lorry, you might have seen this. Top view of a lorry, side view, front view. Similarly, a scooter. Nothing to write here, just you have to observe. Observe and recollect. When earlier you have seen a scooter, how you have observed. So just recollect. These all are the live things which are practically happened in our life many number of times. How the railway line, just imagine when you have seen earlier railway line, how the railway line looks side view. how the front view, how the lorry from the top, like a rectangular shape, how the side view of a lorry, front view of a lorry. Front, you can see the lights, mirror, tires, like this.
అన్ని చేసలేదు
Mute yourself. How the scooter looks from all different ways. Look at the picture 1 and 2. Which photo is the correct one where bowls are upside down? Bowls are upside down. Picture 1 is correct or picture 2 is correct? Which one is correct? Picture 1 or picture 2?
What?
Picture 1, sir.
Picture 1, bowls are open. No, we want bowls upside down.
Picture 2, sir. Picture 2. Second one, sir.
Second one is the right answer.
Second one is the right answer, sir.
Okay. This is the aerial view of Gappu's house and surroundings. Gappu's house and surroundings. This is the aerial view. From the top side we have seen. You can see here, gate A is here,
Kappu house, sir.
gate B is here,
Kappu house.
gate C and gate D. 4 gates are there. At gate A outside there is a sweet shop here. There is a sweet shop.
Kappu house.
See. Just listen, no need to write anything. This is the sweet shop. This is the sweet shop. This one is the sweet shop. This is the sweet shop. This is the flower bed. This is the flower bed here. This is the green. The parents are talking in the background. Sujana Naidu, ask your parents to mute. This is a flower bed. Green bench is here. Okay. Basketball court is here. Don't do the drawing in the class, I have told you. Now simple questions are there which we have to answer. Bhavesh, please switch on your video. Deekshita, Takshvik. Okay. First one, mark the gate nearest to the sweet shop. At the sweet shop, nearest gate. So immediately at the sweet shop, we have A, gate A, because this is a sweet shop and this is gate A. So nearest to the sweet shop is gate A. Okay, next. Which gate is nearest to Gappu's house?
C. C.
C, sir.
C. Sir.
C.
C.
C,
C.
gate.
Yes.
C, sir.
If you enter from the gate B, green bench is which side? See, this is B. When you enter from B,
Left.
at left side we can see
Left,
the green
sir.
bench.
Left, sir.
Left side.
Yes.
When Suhasini entered the park, the flower bed was at right side.
Right
C.
side. Yes, sir.
So that means
Yes,
she
sir.
entered
Right
through
side.
D.
It's D, sir.
When she entered D,
D.
see right side, when she comes from D, from D, right side is this
Flower.
flower bed is there.
Flower bed.
Next,
Flower garden.
flower garden. Those video is off, I'm removing them. Charan Chare, Blessing. If the video is off, you will be removed. Next, which of these is nearest to the, when you enter from gate C?
Green bench. Green bench.
Green
Guppu's
bench.
house, sir. From C, Guppu's house.
When coming
From
from
B,
C,
bench.
when coming from C, basketball court, no, basketball court is very far away. Flower bed is far away. Seesaw is the nearest, I think.
Yes, sir. Seesaw.
Seesaw is the nearest because
Yes, sir.
this is the seesaw. That is the nearest to that.
Seesaw, seesaw.
Seesaw.
Seesaw. What is the map? Careful and answers. Market playground.
In a similar way, we have some diagrams here. Read it and do it. Jyotirmai, what are you doing? Jyotirmai,
Mart.
or Jyotirmai, sit properly. Be in the class.
Close to store.
Bus stop is there, park and market and temple, Anil's house, playground.
Yeah.
Which is closest to the temple? Which is near to the temple? Which is near to the temple?
Anil house, sir. Anil house. Market, sir.
Anil house is very far away, no?
Market, sir.
Bus stop.
Temple, market, school.
See,
Market, sir.
options are there. You have to answer only the options, not of your choice.
Market, sir. School.
You have
School,
to
sir.
answer based on the MCQs. The multiple choice are there, no. School is nearby only. School is adjacent to this.
School, sir.
Yes, school is the right answer because
Market, sir.
school is near. Market is not there in the answers. Then why you can say market? You have only two options: school or Anil's house. Anil house is very far away. School is adjacent to this. Temple, then immediately you have school. See, this is the school.
What is
This is the school.
Anil house?
So very immediately we have school nearby temple. Which is closer to Anil's house? Bus stop or market?
Bus stop. Bus stop.
Yes.
Bus stop.
Bus stop is here. Market is very far away. So nearby Anil's house is bus stop.
Bus stop. అన్నా నువ్వు ఆడ చాటింగ్ లో ఫోన్ చేసుకునే బదులు నాకు ఇస్తానని క్లాస్ ఉంటారు.
Akshika Reddy, mute yourself. Somebody is talking.
Bus stop, sir. Bus stop.
sir.
Which is closer to the park?
Bus stop.
Bus stop, sir.
Bus stop.
Bus stop. Here option is given
Bus
closer to the park. Bus stop or temple should be there.
Temple.
Which is closer to the park. Bus stop is very closer to the park.
Answer is bus stop.
Yes.
Bus.
Bus stop is
First
very
one is
closer to the park.
Answer bus stop. Bus stop.
These are two different. Help the kitty reach.
This over, sir.
This also, sir.
Now match the following. Match the following.
No, sir. Draw the lines to match the side.
Three objects are given. You have to match them.
Last बोले
First stop you is for last stop you.
See,
Please unmute everyone. Please unmute everyone.
yes, done. Why you are shouting? You have to answer when I ask. When I am not asking means you have to keep quiet. I am taking the attendance. When you are shouting, I will mute all of you, that I have told you many times. In spite of that, you are keep on shouting. What is the nonsense? Huh? Here he is asking to match the following. The first one, funnel. When you pour something like water, petrol, in the petrol pumps, you might have seen funnel, which purifies like this. So if you see the top of the funnel, you can see circular portion and also how the top of the funnel will be. And this is a pipe. Pipe, you can see only a circular. This is a flask where you keep warm tea, which will be hot. So it is this. You can see top view. You can see the circle and that also. And this is top circular and ground circular. Like this. This is how we match the things. Okay. Next. One work is given to you, side view of a bus. You have to draw the side view of a bus, top view of the teacher's table, rectangular shaped table, front view of a car. So draw the following. Boxes are given here. So you have to draw these three views. Wait, I will share something. Some more similar questions to like this. Brick. Top view, front view, side view. From the top, you can see a rectangular sheet. Top view, small rectangle. Side also rectangle. Dice, generally what we play. Matchbox, table, front view, mini truck, top view, front view. One puzzle is here. This also. Identify which views are this. Here, teacup, spoon, shoes, mug, all are there. You have to identify which view is this. This I will share later. First, whatever is taught today, that I will share. Okay. True or false questions, this we will do later. Here, see, there is one aerial view of a puzzle is given. Try to do this also. This I will share. Help Kitty to reach his home. From where? You have to draw the directions with color pen or pencil and see that it should reach the home. Similarly, this also. The frog has to reach the flowers. This all comes on the top view of the puzzle. The puzzles are all are top views. The puzzles are not the side views. They are all are the top views. So two simple puzzles also I am going to share, which comes under this. Okay. So whatever is taught today, I will share the worksheet. Just paste in the notebook, and wherever is needed, there you have to write the answers, which I have shown here. Okay. This also I discussed. Just you have to write the answers, put the tick mark. This market problem also. So whatever is shared, that you have to do it. Here top with this information, no question here, just the information how the diagram looks. So next class, this true or false questions are there. Fill in the blanks are there. Die problem is there. Dice, die problem, how the die looks. All this we discuss in the coming class. Okay, so that's all for today's class. If you keep on shouting, then I will mute you always and I will take the class. If you maintain silence, then only chance will be given to you to talk. Otherwise, you all should